Hi Namaha. Today I am going to discuss on Hanuman Chalisa and its magnanimity and what is the benefits for the present future generations. Let me see, starting with prayer. आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीय विग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः. The authorship of Hanuman Chalisa is attributed to Tulsi Das, a poet saint who lived in the 16th century. It is said in the last stanza of the Chalisa that whoever chants it worthful devotion to Hanuman will have Hanuman's grace. Among Hindus worldwide, it is very popular belief that chanting the Har Chalisa invokes Hanuman's divine intervention in grace problems solving, including those concerning evil spirits. Author Tulsi Das was a Hindu poet saint, reformer and philosopher renowned for his devotion for Rama. A composer of several popular works, he is best known for being the author of the epic Ramacharita-manas, a retelling of the Ramayana in the vernacular Awadhi language. Tulsidas was acclaimed in his lifetime to be a reincarnation of Valmiki, the composer of the original Ramayana in Sanskrit language. Tulsidas lived in the city of Varanasi until his death. The Tulsi Ghat in Varanasi is named after him. He founded the Sankat Mochan Hanuman temple dedicated to Hanuman in Varanasi, believed to stand at the place where he had the sight of Hanuman. Tulsidas started the Ram Leela plays, a folk theatre adaptation of Ramayana. He has been acclaimed as one of the greatest poets in Hindi, Indian and world literature. The impact of Tulsidas and his works on the art, culture and society in India is widespread and is seen to date in vernacular language, Ram Leela plays, Hindustani classical music, popular music and television series. Language. There are two couplets in the beginning and one couplet at the ending, the 40 verses of Chalisa. The Chalisa detail in the order of his knowledge, devotion to Rama and man without any desire. As with the case of devotional literature, Tulsidas starts a poem with two couplets praising his guru. The language of Chalisa is in the refined Awadhi language. Deity. The Hindu deity to whom the prayer is addressed, Hanuman, is an ardent devotee of Ram and a central character in the Ramayana. Lord Hanuman is also one of the powerful incarnations of Lord Shiva. A general among the Varanas people, they always go to the temple of Sankat Hanuman where they can fulfill all the desires. Hanuman is a disciple of Lord Rama in the war against the demon king Ravana. Hanuman's exploits are much celebrated in a variety of religious and cultural traditions, particularly in Hinduism, to the extent that he is often the object of worship according to some bhakti traditions and is a prime deity in many temples known as Hanuman Mandirs. He is one of 7 Chiranjeevis, Sapta Chiranjeevinaha, as per Sanatana Dharma. Hanuman also appears in Mahabharata on Arjuna's chariot as Dvaja, a kind of flag. Let's read the text. The Hanuman Chalisa, literally 40 chaupais on Hanuman, is a Hindu devotional hymn, means stotra, addressed to Lord Hanuman. It is traditionally believed to have been authored by 16th century poet Tulsidas in the Awadhi language and is his best known text apart from the Ramacharita. The word Chalisa is derived from Chalis, which means the number 40 in Hindi, as Hanuman Chalisa contains 40 slokas, mean chaupais or verses. Hanuman is a devotee of Rama and one of the central characters in the Indian epic, the Ramayana. According to some Shaivite beliefs, Lord Hanuman is also incarnation of Lord Shiva. Folk tales acclaim the powers of Hanuman. The qualities of Hanuman is his strength, courage, wisdom, celibacy, devotion to Lord Rama, and the many names by which he was known are detailed in the Hanuman Chalisa. Recitation or chanting on the Hanuman Chalisa is a common religious practice. The Hanuman Chalisa is the most popular hymn in praise of Lord Hanuman and is recited by millions of Hindus every day. The work of Chalisa consists of 43 verses, mean chaupais, 2 introductory dohas, 40 chaupais, and 1 doha at the end. The first 2 introductory doha begins with the word Shri, which refers to Shiva, who is considered the Guru of Hanuman. The auspicious form, knowledge, virtues, powers, and bravery of Hanuman are described in the first 10 chaupais, and 11 to 20 describe the acts of Hanuman in his service to Rama, with the 11 to 15 chaupais describing the role of Hanuman in bringing back Lakshman to consciousness by bringing Sanjeevani mountain. From the 21st chaupai, Tulsidas describes the need of Hanuman's kripa, mean grace. At the end, Tulsidas greets Lord Hanuman with subtle devotion and requests him to reside in his heart and in the heart of Vaishnavas. The concluding doha again requests Hanuman to reside in the heart along with Rama, Lakshmana and Sita. In fact, Chalisa of every deity has 40 couplets. Specific results on recitation of particular verses. It can be recited both in the morning and evening. It takes not more than 10 minutes to read this beautiful hymn. It is said that each verse or chaupai has its own significance. If one is unable to read all 40 verses, then one can choose to recite only certain ones to suit their needs. For example, removal of bad karmas, first opening verse enough. Wisdom and strength, second opening verse. Attainment of divine knowledge, first verse enough. Removal of bad company and habits, third sloka. Cultivation of devotion, chaupais 7 and 8. Protection from poisonous snake and bites, 11th sloka. Removes misunderstanding between sons and daughters, 12th chaupai. To gain fame, 13th to 15 chaupais. Recovery of lost status, promotion in jobs, 16th and 17th chaupai. Removal of obstacles, accomplish difficult tasks, 20th chaupai. Protection from adverse planetary influences, 22nd chaupai. Protection from black magic and evil spirits, 24th. To achieve good health, 25th. Liberation from crisis, 26th. Fulfillment of desires, 27th and 28th. Victory over enemies, 30th chaupai. Occult powers and wealth, 31st. To follow ethics and fulfilling life, 32nd to 35th. For mental peace, 36th. And for grace of Lord Hanuman, 37th verse. And so on. Benefits of reading Hanuman Chalisa. It has a purifying effect on both body and mind and is spiritually uplifting. It saves one from all dangers in life and helps to gain spiritual wisdom and confidence in one's life. It is believed that while going for a job interviews, if one reads this Chalisa, then one can expect favorable results. To get liberation from legal entanglements, litigation, imprisonment, one should recite the Chalisa for 100 times a day to secure favorable results. Astonishing information about Hanuman Chalisa. Hindu devotion entails a ritualistic chant of Hanuman Chalisa by millions of devotees. Hanuman Chalisa were chanted by millions of devotees. While Hanuman Chalisa may be widely chanted, there are some astonishing things to know about it. Reveals the distance between the sun and the earth. Scientists revealed the distance between the sun and the earth in the 17th century. However, Tulsidas had already been mentioned in the distance between sun and the earth in the Hanuman Chalisa of 15th Chaupai. Author Tulsidas was the reincarnation of Valmiki, the composer of Ramayana. Throughout his life, Tulsidas was claimed to be a reincarnation of Valmiki, who composed Ramayana in Sanskrit. It is thus believed that the Hanuman Chalisa is written virtually by some person who wrote Ramayana, although the two were written centuries apart from each other. Tulsidas is said to have personally seen Lord Hanuman. Tulsidas spent a big part of his life in Varanasi. It was here where he was said to spot Lord Hanuman. There is a Shankata Mocha temple established by Tulsidas in Varanasi, where he was believed to have spotted Lord Hanuman. Chanting Hanuman Chalisa is said to release vibrations that strengthens thoughts. It is believed that chanting Hanuman Chalisa helps remove negative vibrations. Many couplets, chaupais, and the Hanuman Chalisa are said to bring in the divine wisdom of Hanuman to his devotees and equip them to stay safe from the negative energies and thoughts. Let us have some important Chalisa Chaupais and its meaning in English for removal of bad karma, wisdom and strength. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raja निज मन मुकुर सुधारी बरनौ रघुवर बिमल जसु जो दायक फलचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार. These chaupais with the dust of Guru's lotus feet, I cleanse the mirror of my mind and recite the holy glory of Lord Sri Rama, the greatest of Raghu dynasty, the giver of the four achievements of life. Knowing that I am important, I plead you, O Hanuman, the son of Pavan and the Lord of Wind, kindly give me strength, wisdom and knowledge, removing my griefs and flaws. These four. Next, to achieve good health and liberation from crisis. What are the chaupais? Ram दुआरे तुम रखवारे होतन आज्ञा बीनु पैसारे सब सुकुल है तुम्हारी सरना तुम रक्षकु काहू को डरना. You are this century at the door of Sri Rama's divine abode. No one can enter without your permission. All comforts of the world lie at your feet. The devotees enjoy all divine pleasures and feel fearless under your benign protection. Another, to gain name and fame. सहस बदन तुम्हारो जस गावै, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावै। सनकादि ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिसा। जब कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते, यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते। कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते। Thousands of living beings are chanting hymns of your glories, saying thus, Shri Rama warmly hugged him, means Sri Hanuman. When prophets like Shankara, mean Shankaracharya, and all praised Lord Hanuman in various hymns. Here, Shanaka Sananandadi says, even the sage like Lord Brahma, the great hermit Narada himself, Goddess Saraswati, and Adi Sesha, Ahisa, one of the immersible dimensions, loved Lord Hanuman. Even Yamaraj, who is the god of death, Kubera, god of wealth, and the Digpals, deputies guarding the four corners of the universe, have been vying with one another, offering homage to your glories. How then can a mere poet give an adequate expression of your super excellence? Another, recovery of lost status, promotion in jobs. These two ways. तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा, राम मिलाया राजपद दीन्हा। तुम्हारे मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भये सब जग जाना। तुम्हारे मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भये सब जग जाना। You rendered a great service to Sugriva. You united him with Sri Rama and he installed him on the royal throne, the place of Vali. By heeding your advice, Vibhishana became Lord of Lanka after death of Ravana. This is known all over the universe. Another, remove obstacles, accomplish difficult tasks. युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु, लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु। युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु, लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु। On your own, you dashed upon the sun, which is a fabulous distance of thousands of miles, thinking it to be a sweet, delicious fruit. Another, protection from adverse planetary influences. This is a topai. Prabhu mudrika meli mukha mahi, jal dilangi gaye acharaj nahi. Prabhu mudrika meli mukha mahi, जल दिलांगी गए अचरज नाही. Carrying the Lord's signet ring in your mouth, there is hardly any wonder that you easily leapt, jumped across the ocean. Protection from black magic and evil spirits. This is Upai. दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुख मनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते. दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते. The burden of all difficult tasks of the world become light with your kind grace. Fulfillment of desires. आपन तेज संहरो आपै, तीनों लोकहांक ते कांपै, भूत पिशाचा निकट नहीं आवै, महावीर जब नाम सुनावै, भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवै, महावीर जब नाम सुनावै. You are alone, befitted to carry your own splendid valor. All the three words means entire universe tremor at your thunderous call. All the ghosts, demon and evil forces keep away with the sheer mention of your great name, O Mahavir Hanuman. Victory over enemies. नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा. नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा. All diseases, pain and suffering disappear on reciting regularly Sri Hanuman's holy name. Occult powers and wealth. This is top point. संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावै, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावै. संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावै, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावै. Those who remember Sri Hanuman in thought, words and deeds with sincerity and faith are rescued from all the crises in their lives. Another, to follow ethics and have a fulfillment of the life and achieving their own goals. These are the chaupais, not these. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै. चारों युग पर ताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्धि जगत उजियारा. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, साधु संत के तुम रखवारे. असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. All who hail, worship and have faith in Sri Rama as the Supreme Lord and the King of Ayodhya, you make all their difficult tasks very easy. Whoever comes to you for fulfillment of any desire with faith and sincerity, will he alone secure the imperishable fruit of human life. Although the 4 ages, your magnificent glory is acclaimed far and wide. Your fame in rapid worth. It is also the radiantly acclaimed all over the cosmos. You are Savior and the guardian angel of saints and sages and destroy all demons. You are the angelic darling of Lord Sri Ram. For mental peace, अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता. अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता. You can grant to anyone any yogic power of 8 siddhis, mean power to become light and heavy at will, and 9 nidhis, riches, comfort, power, prestige, fame, sweet relationship, etc. This boon has been conferred upon you by Mother Janaki. For grace of Lord Hanuman, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा. You possess the power of devotion to Sri Rama. In all rebirths, you will always remain Sri Raghupati's most dedicated disciple. Though hymns sung in devotion to you, one can find Sri Rama and becomes free from suffering to several births. For the grace of Lord and rebirth, and not having punarjanma, rebirth. Regarding rebirth, I will bring one day the detailed description of rebirth in the name of theory of rebirth. अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई, और देवता चित्तन धरई, हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख करई, संकट कटई मिटई सब पीरा, संकट कटई मिटई सब पीरा, जो सुमिरई हनुमत बलवीरा, जो सुमिरई हनुमत बलवीरा. If at the time of death one enters the divine abode of Sri Ram, thereafter in the future births he is born as the Lord's devotee. One, he may not get rebirth as a human. Suppose he gets rebirth, he will become like a pure devotee like Tulasidas, Hanuman, Tyagaraj, Tyaga Brahma, etc. One need not entertain any other deity for propitiation, as devotion of Sri Hanuman alone can give all the happinesses you require. Once he is freed from all the sufferings and ill-fated contingencies of rebirth in the world. One who adores and remembers Sri Hanuman always, free from death and bondage, bandhavya. Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई, जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छुट ही बंदी महासुख होई, छुट ही बंदी महासुख होई. Hail, 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 Sri Hanuman, Lord of senses. Let your victory over evil be firm and final. Bless me in the capacity as many Supreme Guru. One who recites the Chalisa 100 times becomes free from the bondage of life and death and enjoys the highest bliss at last. जो यह पढ़ई हनुमान चालीसा, हो ऐसे दिशा की गौरी सा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, की जय नाथ हृदय मह डेरा, की जयनाथ हृदय मह डेरा. All those who recite Hanuman Chalisa regularly are sure to be benedicted, gets benefits. Such is the evidence of no less to witness as Bhagavan Shankar. Tulasidas, as a bonded slave of the Divine Master, stays perpetually at his feet. He prays, O Lord, you enshrine within my heart and soul. पवन तनय संकट हरन मंगल मूर्ति राम लखन सीता सहित राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभु हृदय बसहु सुरभु. O conqueror of the wind, destroyer of all miseries, you are a symbol of auspiciousness. Along with Shri Rama, Lakshmana and Sita, reside in my heart, O King of Gods. Thus, reciting Hanuman Chalisa for 100 times a day shall give and also secure favorable results. Rare and secret benefits of Hanuman Chalisa. All over, everyone is aware about the power of Hanuman Chalisa, but there are a few rare and secret benefits very few are aware of. These secrets are many and are different for each verse. Other than this, there are lots of prayogas of the Hanuman Chalisa, though which various tasks can be fulfilled. Because here we have to know, there are so many stotra works of different sages, saints and poets. They are meant for one purpose. But Hanuman Chalisa is meant for different purposes. Each and every chaupai has different results, different fruits. It gives different solutions to different problems of the society, human being and universe and nature. So that's why Hanuman Chalisa is considered a great and magnanimous chaupais of 40, which only gives solutions to various problems of humankind. If someone wants to recite the Hanuman Chalisa without harboring any wishes, the Chalisa must be recited at dusk for 11 times continuously. If someone wants to wealth and food, Chalisa must be recited 11 times in afternoon. If someone wants to get strength, he must recite the Hanuman Chalisa 21 times in the Brahmi Muhurta daily, early in the morning. He must offer his daily food as bhog to Hanuman and only then eat. The food must be very, very strictly not containing onions, spices, any kind of salt, non-veg items or oily items, foods which contain rice, dal, kadamam, carrots, etc. For becoming valorous and fearless, recite the Hanuman Chalisa 21 times daily. There are many people in everyone's lives who always demotivate you or spread hatred against you. To stop such people, recite the Hanuman Chalisa for 11 times daily. If recited 11 times daily, it removes dangers seen or unforeseen. The stotras make Hanuman your guide for the entire life and always guides you on what to do and what not to do and teaches you what is wrong or right in life. It makes you righteous person. Righteous means dharma baddhamaina manushya. It removes all and every kind of dosha or difficulties you have in life. Your mind will become an ocean of knowledge. Jnana samudra. The person generates a mesmerizing aura around himself and everyone feels attracted towards him. Lord Hanuman will always fulfill all your wishes. Is the Hanuman Chalisa is recited daily with devotion. For every problem that you face in life, Hanuman will come in home or the other way to help you out and guide you. He will reduce the efforts required to complete a task and make your endeavor successful. If someone is going through depression, he must without fail recite the Hanuman Chalisa 11 times daily. Thus Hanuman Chalisa gives much more prosperity, name and fame. This is experienced by many of the people. So reciting Hanuman Chalisa gives peace of mind. At this corona stage, we should recite minimum 11 times per day to avoid any calamities to us and to around us. Okay, thank God. ओम श्रीकांताय कल्याणनिधे निधे ध्यान श्री वेंकटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मंगलम मंगलाशासनपरैर्पदाचार्य पुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्ये सत्कृतायास्तु मंगलम्.